Looking for the perfect spot for your next gathering? At Gateway to India, we celebrate culture and tradition through authentic flavors. Whether you're planning a corporate event, birthday, or wedding, our team provides full-service catering tailored to you. Enjoy soulful recipes and warm hospitality right here in Longwood. Let us make your celebration unforgettable. Book your party today at gatewaytoindiarestaurant.biz.